Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective for 4th and 5th September. So let's begin. Yesterday we have highlighted the symmetrical triangle pattern being formed by the market, and we have given a signal to go long some around here or on a test towards this support trend line some around 1921. We did see and test towards this support trend line. We have given a call to go long on this candle, this small candle. However, the market did saw bullish momentum afterwards. Then we did see a sell off, and the market did test this particular support trend line 2 and also this support zone. So that would be a great area to go long. Now what I am expecting is that we can expect a bit bearish momentum entering in the market, and we can see that the market could potentially break this support zone, support trend line, and this support zone. So the reason behind why I'm expecting bearish momentum entering in the market is due to the decrease in the uncertainty. And when there is a decrease in uncertainty, it is just like an fast poison which can cause the gold market to really downwards on a tremendous high points, which means we can see a huge downwards momentum entering in the market, and we can see an fall of some around 100 to 200 points in the market for the gold. Now the reason behind me being bearish for the gold is due to the fact that in October we have seen many governments has announced there would be no lockdown policy being implemented, which means the uncertainty is decreasing, and we can see that the people are going on their daily routines. Thus, the people who were first cautious about the COVID-19, as the COVID-19 is the spread has been limited and the patients are recovering, thus due to which the uncertainty due to the COVID-19 is decreasing. Now this is the fundamental perspective. Now coming on in technical perspective, what we can potentially expect is that we can either see an higher high move as expected in yesterday video, testing towards 19 some around 1958. That would be a great area to go short, or we can either see a just a break through this both support trend line, this support trend line 2 and this support trend line 2. Moreover, despite spotting a symmetrical triangle pattern, we are also spotting an ascending channel being formed for the market. Let me highlight that. This would be the above resistance of the channel. This would be the resistance. Here. Now we can also spot some divergence. The market is also making an higher low momentum. However, the indicator is making a lower low or a double bottom pattern momentum, which suggests that we are currently experiencing a hidden bullish divergence, which theory suggests that in the coming time we can expect a continuation of this bullish momentum which we have seen in the past, some around from 13 August till some around 21st September, and that after 1st September we did see a sale off. Then this suggests that the previous bullish momentum there is a potential for the previous bullish momentum to re-enter in the market, and we can see an higher high move. Thus, we should not be totally be bearish or bullish for the market for the gold, and now we should be neutral at this point, as due to the divergence and due to the fundamentals both are going in an opposite direction. So the great opportunity is that we would be currently taking our long some around 1937. Keep in mind there is a greater chance that we do hit our stop losses. So our stop losses would be just narrow up some around 1921, and with our first take profit of this support zone, of this resistance zone, some around 1958. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.4 with our entry trigger point of 1935. Stop loss placed some around 1919, and our second take profit, as mentioned earlier, would be some around 2005. There is a very less likely situation that we did see a rally of gold towards this high numbers. So as explained in my previous video, the why we have placed our second take profit here is due to this resistance, and we did see that the market did test this particular area, and we see a huge bearish momentum, and again some around 2015 and some around 7 August we did see that the market retested this particular support zone, and this zone has acted as both support some around 7 August and resistance some around 19 August. Now coming on the bearish perspective, where we should trigger our short position for being bearish is that we will only and only trigger our sell short position for the market for the gold if we did see a candle of an 4 hourly or a 1 day candle being closed below 1913. That would be a great signal that we could potentially see a lower low momentum. We could directly take our sale position somewhere around 1913 if we see a close below 1913. However, we could potentially wait for the market to retest this particular resistance zone, which is in range of some around 1921 till some around 1916. That would be in great area, and then we can go for an our sale position with our take profit of 1879 would be some around here, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1939 with our take profit of recent lows, which would be some around 1978 till 1983 with our entry trigger point of some around 1950. Keep in mind we would only and only go for a sale position if we did see a close of an 4 hourly or an 1 day chart below 1910 to 1930. If you like the video and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.